Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I think now it's very late. I just checked. I'm the another two sessions after me. Okay, so I think they're very happy here and then to talk to everyone about the digital transformation for retail. Okay, where's my slide? Okay, this one. Okay, so my name is Jason, and then I manage the Centric Software APAC. So all the countries around 20 countries in this area. Okay, so Indian market, I think for us is very important because now Indian population is, I think now is almost worldwide #1, and then market grow very fast. Okay, so we focus on here, and then we have big team here. So before we start, and then I'll talk to what's the industry challenge. Okay. So I hear some people here and talk about what's your discount, what's your global, what's your brand next year, right? So currently, if you go to the market, you see the online to offline, O2O. So everybody go to the store, you will open your mobile phone to check what's the price. And then if you check, oh, this one is cheaper, and then you will buy from store or buy from your mobile phone. And at the same time, the mobile phone, maybe they will push another similar product to you. In the end, maybe you buy another product. So the product cycle is more faster than before. So brand, they need to have, I remember the last session, the question is do you have any plan to have more brand? It's true. The brand need to have more brand. Some brand, there's a fashion brand, but in the end, they have cosmetic brand. They have other brand to meet the market requirement. So the challenge is currently is not only locally, also the global. If the people, they want to go to global, they will meet the competition from the Uniqlo, from H&M, or from other food and beverage customer, or cosmetic customer, brand, right? So currently, how we manage this complicated situation, most companies, they using the Excel file, or some Word, or PDF. So it's really hard to check what's happened, and then what's be changed, and then what's going on, what's your plan, what's your pricing, what's your cost. So before I talk about the solution, our solution, I would like to introduce our company. Okay, so Centric Software, we are the headquarters in San Jose, in USA, and then we have the 12,500 brands, they are using our solution. Okay. So here is our customer, and then we have very different customer base. So we have the fashion apparel, and including the H&M, Uniqlo, Mango, Guess, Gap, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, and high-end we have Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Ferragamo, and then all the people. Outdoor sports, and then we have Under Armour, X6, Anta, and then the 361. And then cosmetic brand, and then we have the Louis Vuitton perfume, and then the Safaro, Mecca, and Kiko. And food and beverage, we have the Starbucks China, and then we also have other brands like Wilma, okay? Many different categories. So you can see our customer, we grow very fast, especially in COVID, right, situation. The people cannot travel, and then they need to have the digital platform to communicate each other. So you see our company grow very fast in the last 3 years. Every year, 80% growth. So, and then this year, it's more faster. And then we also have the brand, the customer in here, okay, in India, including the Train Tata and Pantaloon, and then Answer City and Deliwala, and then the Chennai Silk, and then Best, okay. So not only this one, and then we see the sustainability is a very hot topic, and then everybody need to meet this, especially in Europe, US, and then they have a target, like 2025, you need to meet certain standard, okay? So we also can help you to manage your sustainability, carbon footprint, and those things. We also integrate with HIG, okay? So that's our company overview. So what kind of product we support, and then have so many customers to use, right? So our product, we have 4 products. One is you can think about it, is the pricing. Okay, you need to have pricing strategy, and after that, you need to have planning, so retail planning. What kind of product to which store? We call right product to the right store, and then remove the slow-moving product. And after that, you have all the strategy, and then you have PON, and then to manage all the product development, all the product design. And then you have the showroom, digital showroom, to manage your sales, okay? So the first one, we have 2 AI tools. One is the pricing. So pricing is very important. I still remember the people ask, what's your discount, right? When are you going to have discount? What's your discount strategy? So pricing is very important. So what is the pricing you need to put in the market? So you need to, I think most of the people, they will do some survey, like are your competitor, and then, or your similar product, how much they sell in the market? What's the price range? It's by $5, $10, or $100, right? So price range. And then what kind of, so for example, the similar blue T-shirt, and then different brand, what's the pricing? Okay, so that one can help you to do the assortment plan. So our pricing tool, the first thing, this AI tool can help you to do the price optimization, and then trend forecasting, assortment plan, and then discount strategy. And then maybe you only have 2 discounts, but your competitor have more discount. Or you have more discount, your competitor have less discount. So this one is the promotion strategy. Okay, that's the pricing. Another one is the planning. Okay, so planning is like when we do all the design, we need to know what kind of market we want to sell, right? So we need to have start from the merchandising planning, and then range assortment and range plan, right? So I believe all the company will do the assortment plan and range plan. And then after that, and then we need to know what's the store plan and replenishment. We have the solution to help you to do the better forecasting to make sure the right product to right store. And then reduce your inventory and then increase your margin. Like we help Guess, they increase their margin from 5.6% to 12%. Also reduce their inventory by using our retail planning. So after you have the pricing, and then you know what's the planning for the store, and then also for the everything, and then you need to have execution. How to do the better product design, collaborate with your supplier and then manufacturing. It's our PON. So PON start from the design, or start from your idea, it's a brand, okay? And then they give you all the costing, and then the sample management, and the supplier management, okay? But for manufacturing, the design is from brand. So they have all the design concept from brand. They also need to control internal manufacturing cost, all the material cost, make sure the cost can meet the margin, right? So the PON help you to manage all the product and supply chain, okay? So after that, we need to go to the market. So how we go to the market? One of my customer, they have the 200 store or 300 store. So every season, they need to ask all the buyer come to the headquarters to listen to what's our design idea, what's our theme. And then they also have this kind of stage, maybe smaller, to ask the people show their product. But at this moment, if they do this one, it's very costly. So we have digital showroom. So digital showroom, like if you're using this one, all the video product will be on the internet, right? So you can use in the mouse and move and drag and drop, and then choose the product you need, and then for the different region. Because different region, maybe they need a different color, different size, and a different idea, or different country. So that one can be done. We call digital showroom. So this concept be probably used for the many customer, many brand, they are using this one. So our solution, you see that we have 2 AI tool, right? So two AI tools. One is the planning, another is pricing. So once we have pricing confirmed, and then we have planning, we're using the PON to do the execution, and then using the digital showroom to have efficiency to place order to our manufacturing. Okay? So that's our solution, end-to-end. Okay? So why the Century? Okay, you listen to us like, oh, you have fantastic solution, but why you see your solution? Okay? So the first thing, everything in our system, because we have 12,500 brands, they are using our solution. So once you're using our solution, you're using the same solution as those brands. Once they have some new idea, you will adopt. Okay. Another one is everything is the configuration. So we don't have code, no coding. So everything is just config, and they can use it in around 3 months' time, 4 months' time. You can use. Okay. And then we have so many customers, and then they're using the solution very well, and then can be your reference. You can also go to our website. You will see the reference case, many there. You can do the reference check. Okay. So that's what I want to that everybody knows. Yeah. So that's. Any question for that? So we have the team here, and then we also have booths. Okay. So welcome to visit our booth. Okay. Thank you.
I have a question, please.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Jason, how do you see the technology adoption of PLM and this planning solution in a country like India?
So, sorry, can you say again?
How do you see the technology adoption of PLM and planning solution in a country like India?
Oh, okay, okay. So I think India is a big country, okay? So most of the brand we contact, okay, or manufacturing, they have many people, okay, or brand, they have many locations, right? So once you have the many locations, the first thing, the pricing is very important. Because you compete not only locally, and then also have the global brand, they are selling here, right? So you need to have better pricing idea, strategy. And after that, you need to have better planning. Because one of my customer, they only have 250 store. But currently, their challenge is the slow-moving product. They have 30% slow-moving product. So inventory is very high. And then they want to solve the problem, how we can make sure the right product to the right store, okay? Because, for example, if you have beach store or mountain store, then the product should be different. But if you don't have the better planning solution, maybe you put the wrong product to the wrong store. So you need to have the better cluster to do that. And then after that, I think the Indian market is a big market, and you need to have PON to execution. So I think this solution, our solution is very good for the Indian market. Mm-hmm. Any other question? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.